Hey guys, it's me, Elise, and I hope you guys are all doing well. I have a new video for you guys, and it comes from a company called VIPWIGS. If you guys check the info section below, I'll have like all the links and everything provided there. So this is what my wig came with. It came with a lot of different knickknacks. I'll list everything below as well. Also, if you use discount code TG50, you can be able to save $50 off of your purchase. And that's a lot of money, especially right now. It's the holiday time. You better save your coins. But this is the wig that I have. This is their high definition lace closure wig. And as you guys can see, the knots are pre-bleached as well as the hairline has been pre-plucked. So this wig is definitely convenient for a beginner, or if you're lazy, you don't feel like taking the extra steps like I do in my videos. So you guys check this wig out. So I went ahead and put the wig on firstly, just to kind of let you guys see what the wig looks like before I do anything to it. Now I will be tweezing the hairline as I usually do, just because it's a little too unnatural and dense for my personal likings. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and walk you guys through that step. As you guys can see how the high definition lace blends right in with my skin tone, which is a plus. I will be running into a few issues when it comes to the lace later on, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how I was able to fix it. But for right now, as I usually do, I'm just going to go ahead and shampoo, condition the hair, and I'll see you guys once I'm finished with that. So again, this is what the front perimeter of the hairline looks like. It's a little too dense for my liking, so we're going to go ahead and fix that. Now, you guys seen this process done on this channel plenty of times before, but for those of you guys who are new, I'm going to explain it again. I just like to part off the baby hairs and bring that forward, and then tweeze behind the hairline. And then once I've thinned that out just a bit, I'm going to part it again and then just kind of thin it out. But yeah, furthermore about this wig is once again their high definition lace closure wig. It has that 5x5 high definition lace closure. The style that I have is CW025. This wig is in the deep wave texture. Once again, it does have the pre-bleached knots, so you don't have to bleach this wig. It's already good to go. You also have the pre-plucked hairline, in which I'm going to, you guys just seen, tweeze a little more hairs. My wig is 22 inches long and 180% density. And yeah, so right now I'm just going to give you guys a few different styling options, because I was kind of stuck in between how I wanted to style this wig. So I just went ahead and brushed the hair going back, but I was like, you know what, I already know how the lace works, especially on me. So I just decided to add some baby hairs, and then later on you guys are going to see me add a side part, and then ultimately I ended up going with the middle part. So I kept changing it up, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and style up this wig. I'm using some of that foaming wrap mousse. It just works easier for me. And also invest in a dimming brush. That really helps, you know, redefine the hair and clump the curls together. So yeah, this is actually the next day. The hair is in a side part, but I switched the side of the part. You guys, I just couldn't make up my mind when it came to this wig, because it was just so many different possibilities. But yeah, right now I'm just trimming off that front lace, and yeah, you guys can see the baby hairs. I did very minimal baby hairs. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get the wig on, and this is where I ran into a small issue. For some reason, I don't know if it was my lighting. I'm suspecting that it was the lighting. So I'm sitting in front of super bright studio lights, but the lace was just looking really ashy. Usually when I have high definition lace, I don't tint it or anything like that. It's usually super meltable. So I went ahead and I added some of my Got To Be glue gel, and that just made it even worse. I don't know if I had like a little bit of foundation that I left up there and it mixed with the gel. But yeah, we're going back to the first step. And so I'm taking this lace tint spray, and I don't even know if this company still exists, but I do have her Instagram page, in which I will leave below. You guys can go and hit her up and ask her, you know, hey, do you still sell that lace tint spray? Because we can't find it nowhere. But I'm usually really slow to grab this spray because it works so good. And once it tints your lace, there's no going back. So I decided to pull it out this particular day just to kind of tint my lace just a little bit, because I didn't know what was going on at this point. So I went ahead and I did that, and this is just a couple days later. You guys can see it looks much better. So you guys can see where we started from and where we're at now. This is just an up close, you know, look at the hairline. Still a little too light, but I can work with this. So now I'm just going in with my Got To Be glue gel, and I'm just laying the baby hairs and using the excess gel in order to sort of temporarily adhere the wig down. Then I'm going to go in with my mineralized skin finish powder in the part area, just because I forgot that I had on a black stocking cap, so it kind of made the part look a little dark. So yeah, I did that. And now I'm just getting rid of like that weird shape on top of my head from me styling this wig on my canvas block. You can use a little bit of water and a little bit of foamy wrap mousse in order to get rid of that little bump, bulge on top of your wig. And yeah, this wig is so pretty. Like, yeah, it's cold outside and I just pretty much doused the wig in water. But if you guys have like a blow dryer with a diffuser attachment, you can go ahead and dry this out. You know, put on a scarf, and you know, this is like winter hair. You know, this is like all season hair, and I'm loving it. Yeah, I kind of did dramatic baby hairs just because I was really trying to disguise the lace just in case my lighting picked up on it again. But I think for the most part it worked out at the very end. So you guys get into this hair. Once again, it does come from VIPWIGS. Everything will be left in the info section below. It's in this beautiful deep wave texture that you guys all know. I love this texture. It's my favorite texture wig. And yeah, also use discount code TG50 to save $50 off of your purchase. Whether you want to get this for a loved one, it may be too late to order for Christmas, but hey, buy this wig for yourself and save you some coins. But yeah, once again, you guys do check out VIPWIGS. I'll have everything listed in the info section below. Let me know what you guys think about this wig, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye guys.